In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Twitter username and display name in mobile and computer. So on mobile, once you open your X, you can go to the top right corner or left, sorry, then click on your profile. And here you'll be able to click on edit profile as example. So as you can see, you will have first of all here your name. So if we go to the name, we'll be able to change it to whatever we want. So for example, if we go and choose Comics, click on save. And as you can see, this is the display name that's changed. Now we want to change the username. As example, the option below or the username below. So in order to do so, we'll have to go and access settings. You cannot do it through profile. So if you go here and you simply click on support and settings and click on settings and privacy, then click on your account. And simply here, you'll have to click on account information. And here on the username, you will be able to change it to whatever you want. For example, I'm just going to have 2 2s instead of 3. If I go back here to my profile, I'll find it changed. For the PC, as an example, we just go and switch here. We'll find ourselves here. So it's going to be basically kind of the same. You can click on your profile at the bottom left, and as you can see, you'll find an existing stuff. We don't care about that. We will have to click on your profile basically. So once you click on it, you can click on I'll have just to refresh the page. So it doesn't exist because I just changed my username. So probably now it should work. Yeah. So I can click on edit profile. And again, here I'll be able to change the name. Let me just go and add it next. So an example, this is display name. And how to change let me just click on save. That's fine. Now to change the username, you'll basically have to do the same. So you'll have to go to more, settings and privacy, your account information. And normally here you'll have to enter your password first, not like the mobile. So once you enter your password, you just go and enter that, click on confirm. Let me just enter it and come back. So once you enter your password here, you can click on confirm, click on username, and again, you will be able to change it back, click on save, and it should be changed. If you go to your profile, you should find yourself with your new username. Of course, the same will be for this. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.